This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Random. What do you think the program does? Okay, so we've actually hit upon what math, right? Our math library is already, and it's the library within JavaScript, within Java, yikes. It's the library within Java that allows us to perform various mathematical operations. Let me go over to documentation here, and I can actually pull up a language math. And they're wondering about their random number function. So let's take a look here. There's random. It returns a random value that is greater than or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. All right, guys, so make sure you're using your resources with something like this. What do we think it does? Well, we can make a really informed have a really informed answer on that. Now I'm just going to put a bullet point and let's see. So what do I think? Let me hammer this out and I'll talk about it. All right. So now, of course, we all need to have our own words and our own answers, but my brief notes, the program will print 3 random numbers to council. Values will be between 0 and 1.0. And I just wrote 0 inclusive. All that means is that it could be 0. It cannot be 1.0. Cool. Now I can hit run. Keep in mind, students, when you hit run, your answer is submitted to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, well, it's submitted to me. Otherwise, yeah, you can't change it either. Blop. Quapow. Cool. Onward.